I love that. Oh, wait, tunnel.
That has to be done. That has to be done.
Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today for another feature. We haven't done a feature in a little while. Getting back into it with, of course, a Golf. Now this one, as you can see, is a GTI TCR, a car which I'd consider quite rare, to be honest, and it's especially rare to find one which is fully built like this. This thing is an absolute machine. Cannot wait to go out on it. Running currently E85, so it's got a flex fuel sensor in it, so basically you can chuck ethanol in it and it will calculate it and run the power accordingly. Pushing about 600 brake horsepower, which is pretty spicy. Fully built engine, obviously a load of other bits and bobs, hybrid turbo, all the bits you would expect. Built by my friends at Ignite Performance as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, obviously we're joined with Cody, the owner of the car today. I'll introduce you to him very shortly, have a walk around it, and then we'll go for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Cody, the owner of this absolute beast. Mate, thank you so much for bringing it down today. It's cool to see a TCR. I filmed one years ago, and I believe I think it was stage 2, so definitely not what this thing is running.
Yeah, I think at the moment I think it's definitely the fastest TCR in the world.
Nice, okay.
Yeah, I think as you mentioned in the intro, this is Ignite Performance, EcoTune kind of coming together and building an absolute animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a project and a half really. Again, I think as you touched in the intro, fully built engine, Garrett Powermax 2 turbo.
Yeah.
The really special thing about this, we have actually changed the injectors. So normally these being a OPF model that only come with direct injectors.
Of course.
With this, we've actually added the port injectors back in. Massive shout out to James at Ignite. The wiring was absolutely crazy. Whole custom wiring loom.
Wow.
He spent some late nights there tying that all together.
So I think like doing a first, it always takes a long time, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Yeah, we had some issues actually finding out like the TCR gearbox is like one of its kind. So it is still a 381, so a 7-speed. But it's got its own gearbox code. So it was throwing some issues then when we tried to change it back to CGX wiring loom.
Gotcha.
But yeah, like I said, got there in the end. I said massive shout out to James. You can see it's all nice and tidy, nothing that's out of place.
Yeah, it looks really cool, really cool. I spy some familiar bits, such as oil catch can, full oil management kit on it, which is needed, really, isn't it, for these?
Yeah, for these cars, it's a must.
Yeah, big time. R600 on it as well. Fuel pumps, I guess those are upgraded?
Yes, so high pressure and low pressure from EcoTune.
Yeah.
Low pressure's got the whole like controller, everything like that.
Nice.
Yeah, I know low pressure side of things, I think we're at like 6.5 bar fuel pressure, so plenty of fuel there.
And it's obviously running a flex fuel sensor.
Yeah. So just there you can see the flex fuel sensor.
That's what it is. Okay.
Even all the fuel lines, you can see it run down here. It's all custom fuel lines, straight from the fuel tank underneath the car up into the engine bay.
Wow.
Yeah, you see flex fuel sensor there as well.
Very cool. And we're running E85 today.
We are. Yeah, it was funny when you messaged me. I sent it over to Dane, the one that runs Ignite, and he was like, "You are only taking it if it's on E85." He was like, "If you're showcasing it, you got to show exactly what it can do." So yeah, no messing around.
And it's obviously switchable maps as well to allow for running E85.
Yeah. So we've got 4 switchable maps, like low boost, mid boost, high boost, full boost. Yeah, we will be on map 4 today, so the full boost.
Had to be done, doesn't it?
Has
to be done. Cooling wise, I guess, you know, intercooler, that kind of stuff is all upgraded as well.
DO88 intercooler.
Nice.
It's got all the boost pipes in there as well, like tucked away. So yeah, full DO8 kit for cooling. Temps are actually like really good. I used to have an AirTech intercooler on there. Not saying anything bad about them, but the DO88 intercooler definitely drops the temps a lot. So.
I have heard good things about them, to be fair.
Yeah, it's the one EcoTune recommend. Yeah, honestly, I think everything they've recommended it works well. So
yeah, absolutely. But yeah, I mean, she's a stunning looking car as well. I do love the TCR. It's a very subtle but aggressive car, I think, with the kind of low line kit that you get from factory as well.
Yeah, they are really something special.
Yeah.
Obviously, like, compared to the normal GTIs, you've got like the different bumpers.
Yeah.
Obviously, the diffuser on the rear is very aggressive.
Yeah.
But for me, like the main thing was just like colour as well.
Yeah, lovely colour, really cool. Oh, I spy the Acra.
Yeah, that
box.
was a must.
Yeah.
No, yeah, full titanium Acra system.
Nice.
From factory.
Yeah.
Because obviously on these you could spec that. So that was a must when buying the car. You had to have that.
Yeah, no, I had an Acra on my 7.5R, and I retrofitted it, so I bought it second hand, and it made such a big difference.
Yeah,
such
it is.
A big difference.
I'm in between it at the moment. Like, I think from factory they're brilliant. We have put obviously Miltech downpipe on there. They do go a bit weird. So when you're kind of driving around cruising low RPM, it is a bit meh.
Yeah.
But as soon as you put your foot down, it sounds wicked.
Wheels wise, these are pretty spicy.
Yeah, the most battered set of Vossens you will see.
I won't go too close.
Don't go too close. Yeah, they were on. I will admit they were on the car when I bought them.
Yeah.
Previous owner clearly didn't care about how special these wheels are.
Yeah.
Yeah, plan on getting them refurb. Might stay the same colour. Might go hyper silver, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool. But yeah, I mean, she's a beauty, a bit of a sleeper. Obviously, you know this could be a quick car, but you from looking at it like this, you can't tell how quick.
No. Yeah, it's subtle. Obviously, like I said, they are aggressive cars standard, but I've not gone out of the way to make it look crazy from the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, it's definitely a sleeper.
Yeah, I did spy a little draggy on the dash.
There is a draggy on the dash.
What kind of times we're getting, dare I ask?
At the moment, running a 5.85.
100 to 200?
100 to 200. I think as it stands on draggy, it is the fastest GTI in the country.
Yeah, it's been tested, yeah.
Like I said, fastest TCR in the world.
Wow.
I think there could be, obviously there probably is faster GTIs in the country, just no one's done a draggy time yet.
Yeah, so nothing to compare it to.
But
wow.
Yeah, we plan on improving it as well, so.
Yeah, fair play. And that was, obviously this thing is actually fairly freshly built, so I suppose you haven't had loads of time to really wait for a...
3 weeks. Yeah, it's very fresh.
Fair enough. So that's almost straight off the bat.
Straight off the bat.
585.
This is, so since it coming off the dyno and doing the draggy runs, this is the first time it's had ethanol in.
Okay.
So yeah, you're probably the second or third person that's been in the car since it's had ethanol. So
okay,
yeah,
fair enough. I'm privileged.
Yeah, very fresh.
Mate, awesome. Well, I think if that is pretty much everything, we will hop on in and go for a spin.
Of course, let's do it.
Boost by gear is, you can feel that.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of it like spinning all the way out, tries to like grip it.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Do you know, it sounds so different. Even on the cold start, it sounds so different to most other kind of MQB cars, really.
Yeah, it's not like your normal Scorpion, Miltech, or like APR.
I think it might be the Acra.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is.
Titanium.
True.
Yeah, I don't think it's got overrun tuned in. It's just like this standard software.
Yeah, I was gonna say the overrun's perfect. Interior wise though, obviously being a TCR, we get some nice Alcantara bits. So door cards, gear selector, shroud, that kind of thing.
Yeah, little 12 o'clock stripe there on the steering.
Oh, so that's standard?
That's standard.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
interesting. So the only thing in here that you've done is obviously the bucket seats, fire extinguisher, and rear seat delete.
Yeah, so it is literally, it's full interior except the seats. So yeah, just rear seats out, rear seat delete in.
Yeah.
By JC Club Sport.
Okay, yeah.
And yeah, just bucket seats, get it works. Bucket
yeah,
seats.
these are really comfy actually.
very. For buckets, like I said, I had a set of quad boos in my Fiesta. Brilliant seats, like held you really well. But yeah, not for the long driving side of things. So I literally just saw these, pit them up. The grey matched the cars, so
why
spot
not?
on, easy.
Yeah. Bosh. Coilovers actually, or suspension wise, sorry. Is it on any aftermarket suspension?
So, just on racing line springs.
Okay, yeah.
This car has got the DCC. So I don't really want to mess around with that. Yeah, I've had coilovers, like I said, on an old car. It's just so uncomfortable to like drive around. So this has got like the comfort settings and everything.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
It genuinely is. Yeah, it's nice and comfortable to drive.
Yeah, it just wants to go. Mental fast. It's a standard gearbox as well, isn't it?
Standard gearbox, yeah, 381,
yeah.
7-speed.
Fair.
Yeah, standard gearbox. It just spins, doesn't it?
So it's sat on 20s at the moment, isn't it?
20s.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dane keeps shouting at me. He's telling me, put 18s on, put 18s on. Yeah, they just came with a dealer of Pro Tracks actually, so I might look into a set of those.
Yeah,
we'll see.
That'll look cool with some nice chunky tyres on it.
Yeah, definitely. It's obviously just on PS4 S's at the moment.
Yeah.
I will say that they're brilliant tyres for 600 horsepower front wheel drive.
Yeah.
They're doing the job okay, so.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
It's been a journey. Yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare. I bought the car back last October.
Okay.
And yeah, had it until about January. January is when the standard engine fell.
Okay.
Due to direct injector.
Okay. Yeah.
That's probably like one of the big reasons why we tunnel.
I love that. Wait, tunnel.
That has to be done. Yeah, as I said, so that was kind of the big reason on adding the port injectors.
Yeah.
Yeah, the direct injectors are quite known for like carbon build-up and things like that. So the ports help clean it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that, like I said, the direct injector took out of the engine. It's been off the road for probably a good like 4 months. I said literally about 2 weeks ago, so it would be middle of May. So yeah, like I said, just trying to enjoy it now.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it's perfect time of year, isn't it?
Not break anything else.
Fingers crossed. Sounds incredible.
Yeah, I think the overrun is just perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, fair play. Fair play. It's not laggy at all, is it?
Nope.
She flies.
And that's what I mean, for the quality that's just on lowering springs, 20s,
Yeah.
I think it handles
good.
very well.
And it handles as if it doesn't feel like it's got too much power. Like granted it spins.
Yeah, that's again, it's 600 horsepower, front wheel drive. It's impossible to do anything with.
Yeah.
But that EcoTune software, the reflex, the boost by gear, it's unreal.
Yeah.
And even if you wanted it to be like more drivable than that, we're on map 4 at the moment, so
Well,
full
true.
boost.
Yeah.
If I drop it down to like map 2, it's absolutely perfect for those roads.
No, fair play. That goes really well. Really well.
Came out that corner quite fast.
It's relentless. But mate, thank you so much for bringing it down and for taking me out on there. Definitely a very, very well built car. I can definitely vouch for that. But yeah, if you guys want to learn more about the build, I'll leave Cody's Instagram link down in the description down below for me today. That is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe. All the adventures still to come.